on! Tell me what's the matter. Joe, what's the matter with her? Oh, Bisk, is it that bad, really? Is life that terrible?
I feel the need to get on the phone.
Why can't you be like Peanut, who just sits there nice and quiet? Hi, P. Now you're barking at me, too? Bisky, come on! Oh, my Lord. Bisk, what are we going to do with you? I don't know either.
Bisk, really?
Seriously, Bisk, what's the problem? Boy, if anybody knew you were this much of a baby. A baby! A big baby.